Alrighty, so this right here is the augmented reality prototype from Invent for the Planet 2020. Let's get right down to it. So we'll start this up. And here we go. So the way this is oriented is kind of weird. Oh. There we go. As you can see, it shows these pipes. And the idea is that this tracking target where my phone is the ground. And then that can be used as the basis to know where the pipes are located. Alrighty, so we've got Invent for the Planet, Spring 2020. I'm developing this augmented reality prototype for us to use in our presentation using Unity and Vuforia. Alrighty, and so this is our tracking image here that we're using. That's our mission statement. We've got our application here. Alrighty, and there we go. As you can see, we've got the pipes showing up in VR underneath the street view. It looks pretty good. That's what it should be. We can flip it. Get a side view. Works pretty well. I like it.